Hey guys, welcome back to 4DIG. Today, I'll show you how to get rid of the prohibitory symbol, that circle with a slash. This error means your Mac can't find a valid startup disk. The system has failed to access vital files on the disk and prohibits your entry into the system. But I've got the exact steps to fix it. So, let's get your Mac working again in minutes. Method 1. Reinstall macOS via recovery mode. If the system files are beyond repair, reinstalling macOS is often the fastest fix. Of course, this won't delete your personal files. Here's how to do it. First, shut down your Mac completely. Turn it on and immediately press and hold Command+R until you see the Apple logo. In recovery mode, select or install macOS from the Utilities window. Follow the on-screen prompts. It usually takes 30-60 minutes. If you don't want to reinstall macOS, you can try Repair with Disk Utility First Aid. Boot into recovery mode, open Disk Utility. Select your disk and click the First Aid button to check and repair. Once done, restart to check if your issue has been resolved. Method 3. Reset NVRAM/PRAM. There is a certain probability that resetting NVRAM/PRAM can fix this issue. For Intel Macs, shut down your Mac, press the power button, then immediately hold Option plus Command plus P plus R all together. Keep holding for 20 seconds. If your Mac has a startup chime, wait until you hear it twice. Release the keys and let your Mac boot normally. For Apple Silicon users, you don't need to do this. Your M1/M2 Mac manages NVRAM automatically. Method 4. Recover your data with 4DIG before you fix the Mac. If you are afraid of encountering this kind of boot failure error and losing your files in the future, I strongly recommend trying 4DIG Mac Data Recovery to recover your important files so as not to permanently lose them. 4DIG can easily recover your files, doing things that other recovery software cannot do, even restoring your empty trash can. It supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, SD cards, USB, external hard drive, etc. It also recovers files on Mac due to accidental deletion, formatting, system crash, or other data loss scenarios. Now let's launch 4DIG. Select the location where you want to retrieve your files. Then choose File Types. Hit Scan. After scan complete, you can choose Target File and preview it. Here you go. If this video saved your data or fixed your Mac, smash that like button. It helps others find this guide. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tech rescues. See you next time.